Today, Leo's family is going on a fun outdoor picnic. But suddenly, a dark and scary storm rolls in extremely fast. Heavy rain pours down, and a giant tree branch crashes right onto their blue tent. Will everyone be safe after the tree crushes their campsite? Let's start the story and find out.
Wow, Mom! This camping spot is absolutely amazing and very beautiful today. I really love playing with my red ball on this soft green grass.
I am preparing some delicious sandwiches and sweet treats for our lovely picnic.
And I am setting up our big blue tent right under this tree.
Can I help you put those heavy tent pegs into the ground, Dad?
Yes, Leo. Please hold this corner tightly while I use the big hammer.
Look at me! I am throwing the ball so high into the sky. Be careful, Lily. Do not run too far away from our picnic area. Dad, this tent looks so strong and perfectly ready for our family adventure. Let's go inside, Dad.
Great job, Leo. Now we can all relax and enjoy our yummy snacks.
Come here, kids. The delicious food is finally ready for everyone to eat.
Yay! I am so hungry, and those sweet marshmallows look incredibly tasty, Mom. I want to eat this big sandwich before we roast the white marshmallows. Oh, that looks delicious. We should roast them after you've finished.
We have plenty of food for everyone, so please eat slowly and enjoy.
The weather feels so nice right now, but those clouds look quite dark.
You are right, Mom. The weather forecast said it might rain later today.
Do you think we will have a big storm during our fun camping?
I sure hope not. We've got a sturdy tent and plenty of blankets to keep us warm either way. I am not completely sure, Leo, but we should stay very careful today.
I do not like dark clouds because they hide the beautiful yellow sun.
Do not worry, Lily. We are together, and everything will be perfectly fine.
Listen! I hear a very loud sound coming from the dark sky above.
That was thunder, Leo. I think the storm is getting closer to us.
Oh no! The wind is blowing my beautiful hat away from my head!
Stay right here, Lily. Do not run after your hat in this wind.
Dad, the wind is blowing so hard, and the trees are shaking violently.
I see it, Leo. We need to start packing our things up immediately.
I will quickly put all the food back into our big picnic basket.
I am holding my little backpack tightly so the wind cannot take it.
Can I help you fold the picnic blanket before it flies away, Mom? Yes, Leo. Grab that side and pull it tightly toward me right now.
The wind is getting much stronger, and those branches are bending down dangerously.
I am really scared of that loud thunder and the super strong wind.
Hold my hand tightly, Lily. You are completely safe right here with me.
Dad, look up there. That big tree branch is shaking way too much.
We cannot stay under this large tree anymore.
It is getting extremely dangerous!
Should we try to take the big blue tent down right now, Dad?
No, Mom! We do not have enough time to pack the heavy tent!
I know, but this tent means a lot to us.
Ah! What was that loud cracking noise coming from the top of the tree?
That tree branch is breaking! Everyone, run away from the tree right now!
Move fast, kids! Keep running toward the safe shelter building over there quickly!
My little legs are running as fast as they can in the wind. Do not look back, Lily. Just keep running straight to the safe building.
I am right behind you. Keep going until we are safely inside there.
We made it! Everyone, get inside the shelter and stay away from windows.
Wow, that was incredibly scary. The wind was pushing me from behind hard.
It is okay, Lily. Your safety is much more important than a toy.
Look out the window! The giant tree branch just fell on our tent!
Oh my goodness! Our lovely blue tent is completely crushed under that branch.
That is exactly why we had to run away so quickly just now.
Our tent looks broken, and all our camping things are stuck under there.
We are very lucky that Dad noticed the dangerous shaking tree branch earlier.
I wanted to go back and get my favorite flashlight from the tent.
Never go back for things when a storm is breaking big tree branches.
Things can easily be replaced, but we cannot replace our wonderful family members.
I understand now, Mom. I will never go near shaking trees during storms. The rain is pouring down so heavily outside the shelter building right now.
We are dry and safe inside here, so we will wait it out.
Does anyone want to eat the delicious sandwiches we saved in the basket?
Yes, please. Running away from the storm made my tummy feel very hungry. This sandwich tastes extra good because we are finally safe from the storm.
Remember, kids, always look up and check the trees when the wind blows.
If you hear loud cracking sounds, you must run away immediately to safety.
I will always remember to run fast and never look back for toys. Me too. I will hold someone's hand and stay far away from trees.
I am so incredibly proud of how fast you both ran today, kids.
You listened perfectly to Dad's instructions, and that kept our whole family safe. Look outside! The dark clouds are moving away, and the sky is brighter. I can see the beautiful yellow sun peeking through the gray storm clouds.
The strong wind has stopped blowing, and the heavy rain is finally ending.
We should stay inside for a few more minutes, just to be sure.
Can we go outside and see what happened to our poor crushed tent?
Yes, we can carefully walk over there, but do not touch the branch.
I will stay very close to you, Dad, just like a little shadow.
The air smells so fresh and clean after the heavy rain stopped falling.
Wow! That tree branch is even bigger than I thought from the window.
It is very heavy. We cannot move it by ourselves today, I think.
My red ball is right there. The wind blew it near the tent. Let me get it for you, Lily.
The grass is very wet now.
Our camping trip was short, but it was definitely an unforgettable family adventure.
Now that we are safe, let us review some very important storm rules.
Yes, Dad. I want to learn how to stay safe during bad weather.
Rule number 1. Never stand under big trees when the wind blows hard.
I remember that. The big tree branch can break and fall on us.
Rule number 2. Always run to a safe building when you hear thunder.
We ran very fast today, and we did not stop to look back.
Rule number 3. Never go back to get your toys or heavy bags. My red ball is just a toy, but my family is very important.
You both are so smart. Rule number 4. Always listen to older people.
You must follow instructions quickly so we can protect you from dangerous storms.
Thank you for keeping us safe today, Mom and Dad. I love you. I love you too. This was really a very crazy family picnic day.
Now, let us gather all our wet things and put them inside the car.
We will buy a brand new blue tent for our next camping trip.
And we will set it up far away from any tall green trees.
That is a great idea, Leo. You really learned your important lesson today.
I am ready to go home and take a nice, warm bubble bath.
Let us get in the car and drive back to our cozy house.
Goodbye, broken tent. Goodbye, big trees. We will see you another sunny day.
Always remember to stay safe, respect nature, and listen carefully during bad weather.